Hey there, I wanted to walk you through the process of how to add your e-textbook link to your course navigation in Canvas. In this case, we're inside of an AP Stats class, Mr. McCall's, that we're going to add a link to for his e-text. I'm going to go click on the settings icon, and in settings you'll notice that there is an option here for apps. We're going to look for a tool that's called the redirect tool. The redirect tool essentially allows you to add custom links to your course navigation. So let's give it a second here, and this is what it looks like. When I select it, I'm going to click Add App, and instead of calling it the redirect tool, I'm going to call it the name of the link. So in this case, this is going to be called AP Stats Textbook. And here, in terms of the redirect link, what I'm going to do is paste in the link to Clever, which is the essentially the link that's going to connect us to the login page for students. And I want this to open in a new tab, external tab. And we're also going to make sure that it shows up in our course navigation. Okay, so as I click Add App, I'm going to refresh the page so that it actually shows the link. And you'll notice that now here at the bottom is this AP Stats textbook. I'm going to go ahead and test the link by clicking it, and you'll see that it opens up a new blue button, and when I click it again, you'll see that it directs me right to the Clever login page. Now students will be able to click in, use their Google account right here, and then select the Sapling course app, and it'll direct them to the Stats textbook. I hope that helped. Thanks.